Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to remove password from Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple video. So let's go to our video. First, just go to start and just type sign in options. Just click on the sign in option. At this point, here we find our sign in option. If you add pin, then just go to the pin and remove the pin. I just only add password, so I just go to the password. Okay. Now just click at the change. Just click on the change. Now just add at this point your current password and just click on the next. Now here just leave all fields blank. Just leave new password blank, confirm password blank, password hint blank. Okay. And just click on the next. Now just click on the finish. Now I just close it. Now I just restart my PC or sign out from the my PC. I just sign out from the my PC. You can also go to the restart your PC. Now I just click at here and just click on sign in. It is not asking me any password and my PC goes to the login. So guys, this is the simplest way to remove password from Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.